Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I will talk about SEI Blockchain. So it's newly launched and it's very fast. So as you can see on our screen, the SEI Blockchain claiming they are very fast than other blockchain like Ethereum and the other layers 1 and 2. So here is some data on the screen and it's EVM blockchain. So they support MetaMask, Trust, or SafePal and any EVM compatible wallets. So we claim faucets and next we will deploy smart contract on the C blockchain. So first of all, we have to add the networks in our wallet. So in the left hand we have network information. We can add mainnet or also we can add C testnet. If you open your MetaMask, you also can see a banner here right now. Here we already added the C network, and here is the popular networks like C mainnet, or you can it will be show your MetaMask automatically in additional network, so you can add it to for the usage. So here is our wallet address. We will copy it and try to claim faucet. Then we will deploy a token on the C blockchain. So the best way to learn about any new thing, you have to read the documentation. So everything about this blockchain you can go in the docs.c.io, so you can get all information about it. Even they will uh, teach you how to wallet integration front end and the like our PC providers. Here is the list of our PC providers and the wallet sports, everything. You can get all details on it. So here is the docs.c.io/learn/faucet. So you can paste the address and verify. And request. Okay, we get the C tokens. This is the native tokens of C blockchain. So we need to these tokens for any transaction like a transfer or even we are deploying a smart contract. So here we get a standard ERC20 token smart contract from the OpenZip line. This is the secure website for the smart contracts. We copy this contract on the remix and we compile this contract and the name of the token and the symbol of the token. So is just for learning purpose, so we will keep it as it. Here on the left hand we have here compiler and here the deployed. We already compiled the contract and here is the green check mark. Next we have to choose the environment, so we will use injected provider like MetaMask, or even if we have some trouble issue with MetaMask, so we can choose Wallet Connect. Okay, here we can choose the network. Let me select the network if we can. So we have to switch like we are on the right network, and here click again. So here we are connected with C testnet, and right now we have 5C in our wallet. Here we will choose the contract because it's compressed contract, so have many contracts, but we will deploy the right contract. Here click on the deploy. So we have to pay C in the transaction to deploy smart contract. Okay, so as transaction will confirm, we will get the transaction here in the terminal. Okay, we got this transaction, and here is the token we deployed on the C testnet. Let's browse the testnet C scan. This is the explorer for C scan testnet. I think this is the mainnet. We have to switch the network. Okay, control V, and we will search it. Oh, this is taking time. Okay, so here is the detail of the contract, but we no see here any token data like a token tracker, but would successful deploy contract on the C testnet. So it's very easy and simple. You come here on the C documentation, and in the learn you can get the faucet. Also you can here see the spotted wallets like MetaMasks and the Review and others wallets. Here the spotted wallets, and in the developer guide, so you can get the wallet integration in your front end app, and here they are sharing the network details. Thank you.